what's up guys? Today we're here at ACH Highway, Angeles Crest of course, and we're doing some pretty cool stuff. We've got the rides out here, the Civic Type R, the G87 M2, and the wide body M4. Today we're going to be cruising the canyon and doing what we love, right? And that's driving cars. But before then, we're going to send it over to Davis in the studio. He's going to give you a breakdown on the new bits on the G87 M2 program. We've got a version 2 front lip and the new carbon fiber front grille. Let's go ahead and send it over to Davis to where he's going to give us a full breakdown of the new carbon fiber bits, and then we're going to head over to Good Vibes Breakfast Club, an LA staple here in ACH on Friday mornings, and check out all the cool rides.
Thank you, Preston. Hope you guys are having fun at the Crest, and I can't wait to show you guys what we changed from this V1 grille, V1 lip to our carbon V2. Man, look at this grille. I don't know, I freaking love this grille. It's changes the look completely, and I feel like it's a little bit more motorsport, not to mention that it is made out of prepreg carbon, but we wanted to give some options to the grille, which the biggest significant changes that we did was we had a vertical slots, but these are actually horizontal, more of a CSL style, but there's not much to it, but that's what I really love about it because everything is so open. This is open, that's open, that's open. Of course, we had to hide this because there's something behind it. G87 owners, you guys all know what it is. And then to add to that, we came up with the V2 front lip, which does not only come out a little bit farther out, about ½ an inch, but it's actually a little bit lower so the car looks more planted on the ground. And then we added these fins on the side because the V1 lips didn't have the fin. We wanted to kind of match the V1 side skirts. So for me, I fell in love, but I don't know. I hope you guys love it too. All right, guys, you saw the grille and the lip. Let's go back to the canyon. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm here in rainy Korea. I just wanted to show you guys what to expect on the next season. We have our G86 bumper, the original stock, and something that we have been working for the past 4 months. Obviously, you see it's very engineered. Can't show you the whole design, but this one is going to be epic. And why do we do crazy stuff like this? Although even we are our carbon aero company, is because it's not for everybody.